Hi everyone! Carbon monoxide detector is used to detect carbon leakage in your home area. This video will show you how to join the detector into the gateway. Properly install the battery into the carbon monoxide detector or pull out the isolation top if there is any. The LED indicator flashes when the device is powered on. Enter the settings section on the application and tap Add New Devices. You will see a 60-second countdown appears on the screen, allowing the smart devices to join the smart home system within this period. Meanwhile, you will notice that the LED on the smart gateway turns solid. Press the reset button on the carbon monoxide detector for 2 seconds until the LED indicator flashes green. Wait until the LED indicator becomes steady to indicate it has joined the system. Now the carbon monoxide detector icon will be shown in the security interface, and you can proceed to install the sensor. You have now successfully added the carbon monoxide detector into the gateway. Hope you will enjoy our detector. To add more security devices into the system, please refer to the user manual of each device and videos for more information.